Hello everybody and welcome back to another StanCan tutorial. So today's tutorial, I say tutorial, it's going to be the start of a playlist, and the playlist is the Penelope Pig how to step-by-step guide for the brand new StanCan kit. So what is going to be the sort of videos that we're going to be doing? So there's going to be about 6 or 7 different videos teaching you how to actually make Penelope the pig here. It's going to be done in different steps. We're going to work one leg, then we're going to join the legs to create the body, then it will be the arms, then it will be the head, then it will be the ears, and then it will be all of the sewing up all together. So quite a few parts and a couple of videos. It's all going to be on this one playlist, so it's nice and easy for if you have bought one of the StanCan kits. If you haven't already, make sure you go over to Hello Crafts website, which is in our banner, and buy yourself a StanCan Crochet Kit. They're only £19.99. Right, so today's video, we're just going to open up the kit and have a look of what you get inside, and I'll walk you through everything that you get. Right, so for the purpose of today's video, what I've went and done is I've went and taken a little bit of packaging out of the box just to make it more easier to show you all. So what we're going to do, let's start by opening up it and having a look what you get inside. So you get a big bag of stuffing, and that is obviously to stuff your Penelope the pig. You'll then get a ball of pink. So this is your ball of pink, and that is to do your feet, hands, nose, and ears. You then get a pattern. So this would usually be in like a clear bag. For today's video, I have taken it out the bag just to show you individually what you get. So here is your pattern. Usually a pattern booklet, but because the pattern is substantially shorter, it's just a pattern page. So you should have one of them in your crochet kit. Then there will be 2 crochet hooks. You should have an 8mm and a 3.5mm that's just rolled away there, and also a 3.5mm. You then get 2 strands of yarn. Let me just grab the other. So you'll get 2 strands of yarn in white and black. You also get, if I can just grab it here, you also get a little clippable stitch marker. So you're going to get 200 grams of your Hello Love in the shade Soft Pink, it's called. So there it is, and that's everything you get in your crochet kit. So what does everything do? So you've got your Hello Love yarn, and with that is your 8mm crochet hook. So if you've never crocheted before, I'd put them 2 together in a pile. You then have your 2 strands of cotton. You can pop them in a pile with your 3.5mm hook, because that hook goes with that yarn. You've then got your darker pink, that also goes with the Hello Love, because that will be using your 8mm. You've got your toy stuffing, that will go just down here, because that is for when you're stuffing some of the little parts. And then obviously your pattern booklet and your stitch marker, which is here, and that can go on that pile because you'll be using that mainly for the Hello Love yarn. So that is everything you get in your crochet kit. Now let's move on to the next video where I teach you how to make the arms of Penelope the pig.